Hi, this is DJ Nick for intraday analysis, Bank Nifty and a few stocks to watch out for tomorrow. So let me quickly take you through my analysis, and before I take you through the analysis, a short disclaimer saying that I am not SEBI registered, and the analysis is strictly for educational purposes, and they should not be taken as an offer to buy or sell stocks on the market. So first, let us see what we are going to be looking at. We are going to be looking at the corrective bear run. So Nifty, it seems to be Nifty and Bank Nifty seem to be on a bear run and after a corrective pullback. So this would be a right time to capitalize on the bear run. So let us look into that, and we'll also look into the key support for Bank Nifty would be the 34,000, 33,500, 33,000, and resistances would be at 34,500 and 35,000. So you would be looking to short the Nifty at 34,500 and 35,000, and looking for pullbacks or buys if it reaches the 33,500, 34,000 and 33,000. If it breaks this, of course, with a strong confirmation, we can go in for further, which would mean that the bear run is corrected completely and we would be back into the bull market. So let us, we are also going to be looking at few stocks that are and how they are going to be performing Monday morning trading session. So first, let us have a look at Nifty. So Nifty on the 1 hour chart. So this is the ideal time to trade trade the Nifty between 9:30 and 12:30. The 1 hour chart, which is the best way to look into that, shows us that you can see this bear run. Okay, and now at the end of this bear run, you can see that there is a candlestick formation of a hanging man, is at the um, which is at a key support region, but it still needs confirmation. So we might have a gap up opening and a gap filling that might happen. So we would need to look into the confirmation, and after the confirmation, what we can say is that if it breaks this region, that is the 34,480 with strong resistance, so this would be the buy zone. So if it breaks this buy zone, go into the buy, and if it gaps down, we can start shorting the stock right from the this when it shorts. You can see the dynamic resistance of the 20-day moving average. So we can start shorting the stock at around 33,800. Remembering that 33,500 and 33,000 are good support regions. 34,000 is also a good support region. So because of call writing. So watch out for these regions and make sure that you trade within these regions. So I'll just mark out the key support regions. So 34,000. Okay, 34,000, then 33,500, 33,500, and of course 33,000. So you can see that Nifty, which is at right now 34,000. So if it breaks below 34,000, 34,000, we can see that it will definitely go up all the way to 33,500, and if it breaks that, it will go up to 33,000. So there will be good shorting areas. That's what we are going to be looking at. And if there is positive global cues from around the globe, and if there is a reversal in the market, we should be only going into the market if it breaks this buy zone at 34,600. So after 34,500, we can go for buy. Highly unlikely that will happen. So it is going to be a bear market, and make sure you pay attention to the 34,000, 33,500, and then 33,000. So these are the key regions where it will you will need confirmation before you short. So that is a Bank Nifty, and then we are going to be now looking into some stocks. So first stock that we are going to be looking into that I found seems to be having a bullish bullish sentiment is the Dr. Lal's pathology. So with all the COVID cases, we can see that their business is picking up, and also in the chart we can see in the 1 hour chart, which is what we are looking into most. Which is most accurate for intraday trading, would be a cup and handle diagram, and this cup and handle diagram symbolizes a break to the upside. So this break to the upside, we can also see that there is a triangular formation here. So the triangle also suggests that there will be a break. So anything that any confirmation above the 2537 to 2565. So if you get confirmation within this buy zone over here, go take the buy, and you can take profits based on your risk appetite. Next stock that we're going to be looking into today is the Hdfc Bank. So Hdfc Bank, as we can see, is on a negative channel. So it's on a downtrend right now. Okay, and downtrend right now, and also we are waiting for their earnings to be telecast, so that's something to watch out for. But at present, for Monday morning, what we can see is that this downtrend, it is at the upper dynamic support of the downtrend, and it should retrace back if it continues the downtrend. So what I would suggest is that you start shorting the stock when it retraces to so from its current level of 1490 to about 1470, and if it breaks the 1470, we can uh, uh, wait for it to go back to its previous level of 1440. So 1470 to 1440, but definitely it is going to come from 1490 to 1470 before it takes any further movement. So that's what we can watch out for. And also this is also another hanging man formation, so which is symbolizing again start of a downtrend, so that we can look into that as well. And we can see that this hanging man is in the end of a 1 hour lower high. So it's end of a 1 hour lower high. That's why I said that it will be a definite pull down to the 1470. So you can trade that. Keep stop losses, of course, at the demand and support regions, which are here 1512 and 1540, based on your risk appetite. And the next stock that we are going to be looking at is the uh, IRCTC. So IRCTC, the Indian Railways Tourist Corporation Limited. So this one again, we can see that there is a mixed opinion on this stock. So what we can do here is we can wait for confirmation. So on the 1 hour chart, we can see that there is a flurry that has been happening to the uptrend, to the upside. So what we can do is that we can wait for further confirmation. So if this right now it is above the 200 EMA, so we can wait and see if it will if the 20 EMA will also cross the 200 EMA. So if it does cross, and then it will continue on the uptrend. But definitely there will, because it is on the uh, pivot region here, so we might expect some retracement. So that is why I have there is more likeliness of retracement back here to the central pivot range. So it will be retracing back, so we can expect a retracement before it starts to break the negative channel that it has been on for quite some time. So the whole of the March, it has been on an negative channel, and the break has just happened towards the end of last trading session. So what we can say is that the positive break will continue if the retracement from the 1700 region or the 1815 region is present. So if it breaks this region, we can go into a sell. But then this should be the so do not make any decision within this zone. So within this zone, make sure you get a confirmation, and when it breaks this buy zone, you enter into the trade because you will have the confirmation as well. Okay, and then what other stocks are we going to see? I think we will see one of the tech stocks as well, because they are very similar. The other all the tech stocks, they act in a similar way. Similarly, HDFC and SBIN and Bank Nifty also act in the same way. So we will just see TCS. We can follow the same cues for HCL and Infosys as well. So in TCS, what we can see is that the 1 hour chart, again similar to what we can see is that there is a positive bull run. So we can see this channel that is forming over here, and this channel has been broken, and this channel has been broken, but it is retraced back. So again, it's a very neutral signal. So this region is going to be vital. So it is at a key pivot region, and as it has broken, we can see there is an inverted hammer signal at the key pivot region. Inverted hammer is a positive trend bearing signal. So what we must look from an inverted hammer is a positive move. So we should be expecting TCS to move from 3050 to 3100, and then retracing back, and then continuing its bull run, because all the tech stocks are usually do well during the COVID time. Otherwise, what we can see is that if it does not, and we have Accenture numbers have also come in, and the Accenture numbers are also suggesting that there is a positive uptrend for the tech industry in India. So what we can say is that it will probably go to the 3100 region during the first few hours of the trading session, and it will retrace back, and it will then again break this region. So that is what we can look forward to. We can look forward to that, and we should wait for confirmation before we enter this trade as well. So this should be the buy zone. We enter it in the retracement so that we are not getting any false signals. So enter it during the retracement time, and so you would be entering around 3060, taking profits according to your risk appetite up to 3090. So that is all the analysis I have for you today. Please subscribe, like, and support this channel for more videos, and to also help the YouTube algorithm to give you more videos which predict and help us to analyze the Bank Nifty and other stocks more precisely and accurately. Thank you for listening. This is Nikhil DJ Nick signing off.